Hello, everybody. Hello. What's going on? Welcome. All right, we're back. We are back, and let's see how the market open is going to go after yesterday's massacre. What a speech yesterday. How big was the drop overall? I wasn't here in London. I hope everybody had a good time. Yeah, 1,200 points. Wow. That is massive. I'll see. Hello. How's it going? So that was a massive drop. That's for sure. All right. What else do we have here? Markets are about to open. Let's see the high, 1825. Okay. All right. So far, nothing special. Massive. Oh yeah, it was. It was actually crazy. All right. I have some levels here. Not that it really matters. We have a new day opening gap too. And we have some London highs, I guess. Oh yeah, up there. What would be the plan? Can we go down to test previous day low again? Or are we just going higher? I guess we'll see. Opening is 43.25. Oh, you can go higher, I guess. What a push to the downside. All right. Okay, there was nothing there. Yeah, pretty much nothing. Nothing special. Kirktown, hello, good morning. Good morning. All right, how much time do we have? 17 seconds until market open. Be careful, and also don't forget that if we hit the 5-minute barrier, 5% barrier on the drop, some of the prop firms, at least, I mean, actually many of the prop firms don't let you to trade on the funded account, so be careful. Let's go. Here's the market open. Wow. All right. All right. A little bit shaky. Can we go up 100 points up to 042 or maybe higher? I guess we can. And open 90. Yeah, 95.25, I guess. Possible buy side liquidity level. Seems like it's pushing all the way to 34 maybe. Or at least up to the 30s. Okay, nothing so far. Is this going to be a short squeeze, or are we just rebalancing higher? That's the question. Feels a little bit dangerous. And no entry so far. No first fair value gap. Not yet. It's repricing this initial one at the 30 market open. Yeah, it might want to go up there. Yeah, it got to the 30s. And 95.25 would be a good target, but I need some more confirmation. Prudvi, hello. Reza, hey, I'm doing great. How about you? Good to see you. As I told you guys, I couldn't be here in London, but wow, what a drop yesterday. What a drop. I must say, this was like, wow. This was absolutely mental. Wasn't really expecting this, but it happened anyway. I don't know if it wants to make a new high, but it is interesting. You could see a drop, I think, anytime, you know. Okay. ICT said the first paragraph should not be 930. Yeah, it's after 930. I just said this was the initial one. Sorry, but it doesn't count. So the first should be somewhere around here, right below this area. Not really sure if this one wants to push it higher. It could be trapping buyers. A little bit risky to do anything here, I guess. So just be careful, everyone. Could be a risky move. As it shows right now. Reaching down for liquidity. Could also be a reversal all the way down to 72. Yeah. Yeah, let's wait for it. This one could be a really, really tricky one. Basically, we are in that first gap, but I don't know if this one wants to hold it. Might want to go down for more liquidity. Hard to say. Maybe it wants to pick up some more liquidity down and before the final push. We don't know that. Feels a little bit heavy, but it's really hard to tell. Really hard to tell. Because there's a gap below. It's just not clear. 19,000. Oh, yeah. It does. Wonder if this one's gonna bounce or gonna hold it. Let's wait for it. It's hard to figure out if this one wants to go higher or not. I mean, in my opinion, it should be pushing one more time up there. And 95. Let me check it. Hold on. Are we going for that 95? $95.25. Can it still go? Can it really go up there? To the 90s maybe? I guess it can. Got smoked? What? Hold on, I was just reading, I was watching the chart. Let me read the chat just a minute. I'm thinking if maybe I should take a scalp on this push or not. There's a high up there. What happened? Hold on. Just a second. I'm trying to figure this out of what is happening here. Does it want to reach down for more liquidity? I'm just wondering. There's a gap here below, but it's below 70. And I can't, I just don't know what is happening with this. Hold on. All right. Michael, hello. Sorry, I was trying to figure out if I should jump into a scalp. Blown all your XFAs in Tuesday. What? Broke your rules, oversizing. It closed my account. I've been 2 point higher and dumped 230 points. Oh, Reza. Oh my God. I'm sorry to hear that, man. I really, I don't know what to say. I'm really sorry about that. Yeah, I mean, hey, but the market was absolutely crazy, and was one of the reasons I didn't even wanted to trade today. Sir Branson, hello. 980. Yeah, it could happen. Yeah, I guess so. It could hang around on this area. Reza, I'm sorry to hear that, man. Hey, Reza, I'm sorry I wasn't reading the chat, but hey, man, I'm sorry to hear that, and I don't know. That definitely sucks, and I think the best we can do is just continue and focus on the next day. That's what we can do. But I'm with you, and I know you will recover. So just go on. We're gonna fly up today. Well, it could be. The whole thing is just huge manipulation. Yeah. Escape the Matrix. Hello. Krister. Hello there. Yeah, red folder news in 14 minutes, right? Let's go, Reza. You're gonna make it right. I mean, you're gonna be just fine, and you can blame me anytime. Absolutely, you can blame me anytime. Yeah, just blame me. I can take it. All right, what is going on here? This one was the 30. Are we gonna go lower? I'm just curious. Kind of curious, to be honest. So it did push through that high, but I'm not really sure that it wants to go all the way down. It's kind of curious. You were sure it's gonna dump. It did dump. Yeah, that I mean, but it was extreme conditions, you know. 2.5 points. Yeah. You copy trading your accounts. Yeah, it happened. Escape the Matrix. Sometimes it happened. Not too many times. I always check all the accounts if everything goes well. But it did happen. Yeah. It did happen. Whoa, look at this push. There's a flat candle at 95, by the way, just saying. Call Trump to make a positive announcement. I feel like oh, Naomi, by the way, I forgot to say hello. I just saw her saying hello there. So I feel like this whole drop could be like huge manipulation. And then it's just going to go back up there. I mean, I wouldn't be surprised at all. if this whole thing would be just a manipulation. Anyway, still interesting. Do you let the support? Well, I tried once or twice, but they don't really care. That's the problem. That's the problem, that they say it's a technical glitch on my end, that not on their end. So after a while, when it happened a few times, I said, all right, I don't care anymore. And I just didn't do anything about it. But I mean, usually they don't really like to do anything about those stuff. They say it could be a software glitch or whatever, and they just don't care. That's the problem. No matter which prop firm are we talking about, by the way, or not even Quant Tower care about it, or if you know, it could, the same thing can happen with the Replicanto too, and they don't even care about it. So they just say, "Oh, sorry, better luck next time." And yeah. All right, what's it gonna be? What's it gonna be? What if it goes lower? This is a huge doji on the 15 minute. I don't like it. Doesn't seem like it's going anywhere. Could be just going sideways until, what's the time? Until, well, here comes, what is this? Is there some kind of a news or something? I don't know. It could be just going sideways, and then who knows what's gonna happen. Okay. There's no scalping opportunity here. The only thing I see is it can go down to 81 maybe from here. What was the low here? 90. We're stuck here. And there's no classic entry, even after sweeping these highs. Well, maybe on this fair value gap. Maybe I could take a short on this. I just don't feel comfortable with it. Not really something I like, but I do like that the TP2, I mean the 1 to 2 risk to reward is down at the low. Of that possible news scandal. Not news scandal, market open candle. Jesus. Can't concentrate today properly. Oh yeah, it's gonna happen soon. So better be careful about that. Better be careful. Oh, I totally forgot to do something here. I wanted to check something on my MetaTrader indicators. No, I'm not in a short. I was just looking at this area. If this could be good for a short and target the opening candle at 930 low. That this could be a good risk to reward, but I'm obviously, because of the news, I'm not taking it. But I'm sorry. But yeah, could have been a good one. But here's the news. And would you look at that? The news. Wow. Now it feels like it could be going down for that opening range. I wonder if it will go or not. Kind of curious to see if that trade could have been correct or not. Yeah. Drawn liquidity. I mean, I do like that 95, but also we have the opening candle here, which is on the micro is at 910, just to take out some orders at 910. But I like the 95.725. We'll see, I guess. But I like the idea. All right. Let's see if this one wants to break the lows. I think the low was, what was the low? 32.75. Interesting. And it's still not down there. It's still not at 910. And there you go. Broke the 910. I told you that opening candle was pretty close. Pretty close. And now we're getting closer to previous day low. There's a fair value gap just below on the 1 minute 03.50. Pick liquidity here. It's kind of dangerous. I don't really like it. Okay, 903 incoming. There you go. And getting closer, getting closer to previous day low. What is happening here? Oh man. I feel like the drawn liquidity could be that 95 to 25 for later. Yes, I am, Dr. Kev. I am. I am looking for some long entry. I am. I do. But so far, long at 626. Wow, down there. Okay. Okay. The thing is, if this one is enough liquidity from this gap here, as it picked up liquidity from here, and we see displacement with a shift to the upside, then I might take a long. And also I feel a bit of a FOMO for not taking a trade up here. It could have been easy to target the, look at that, to target the opening candle low. This is all. I mean, this should have been an easy one. And I didn't go for it. Oh man. This could have been an easy situation and I missed it. Still going down. It is still going down. I wonder if it wants to break the lows here. Below 63 maybe. It could go kind of crazy as well. Okay, so if there's a shift coming in on this area, it could still be okay. This gap is so far holding. Let's wait for a shift. Okay, going higher. Now this one could be a shift, actually. It didn't do anything. Okay, so this could be a possible long scenario. It shifted the structure. There's a small fair value gap just down there. I might take it finally to do something about this. And we have some nice targets up there as well. So why not? Possible long position from here. Oh yeah, definitely. I'm putting a buy limit here. 12.75. All right, I put a buy limit at 12.75. Where is it? Here. I'm not risking too much, only 90 bucks on this. Let's see if it wants to pick that up or not. So we can target that 19,000, well, way up there at least. Or back to 19K. Oh, it didn't pick it up. All right, never mind. All right. Now we got it. And unfortunately, it might not gonna hold it. Yep. Yeah, I think it's not gonna hold it. Or maybe it does. Alright, I closed the trade. Ah, man. Doesn't look good. I don't know. I don't like it. Just don't feel it today. What is the problem? Is it with me? I don't know. Oh man, I just yeah, I just closed this trade down. I don't know. Divergence. I'm smiling. Pip Hunter, good to see you. I'm smiling, man. I am smiling. Oh, I trust me, I'm on it. I'm working on it. Working on those endorphins. Endorphins. I feel like this one should still go down. I mean, this one didn't go through, but now, you know, if it failed this and I closed it with a smaller loss, I think it should just finish the move and go down. That's what I would like it to do. Yeah, Marcus, I completely agree with you. Absolute garbage. Garbage PA. It's a garbage PA. I might gonna buy some Bulenox or Apex accounts just to YOLO some. I had to lose some steam somehow, so I need to YOLO some accounts, so that's what I'm gonna do. Let me YOLO an account here. First I have to buy. I'm gonna buy an Apex and a Bulenox account too. Look at this shit. Oh my god. Okay. All right. Look at this, man. It's just going down. It's gonna hit the 820. Yes, I think the market circuit breaker is 7%, but for prop firms, it's most of these prop firms are having the circuit breaker at 5%. So be careful because we're already down 4.3. So if it starts to drop like crazy, if we go over the 5% limit, for example, StopStep has it at 5%, MyFundedFutures has it at I think 5%. I'm not sure about Take Profit Trader, and I'm not sure about Bulenox, but 100,000 points away, then all immediately. Yeah, exactly, Kurtown. So be careful because most of these prop firms, like almost every one of these prop firms, having the circuit breaker at 5%. So if the market would go over 5% drop and you trade on the funded account, then it's a hard breach. So be careful. We're already down below 4%, so we'll see. If we go down below the 800s, it's very dangerous. Do not trade on the funded accounts below 800 if we go below there. Okay? Just be careful. That's a hard breach. I'm not sure about Bulenox, for example, but just to be sure, you know, don't trade below 5%. Seems to be a connection issue with Bulenox. Anyone's having this problem? I might try European server, maybe. It will be better. Yeah, there was an SMT. Yeah, Michael. Yeah. Absolutely crazy action here. Here's a push. Okay, I reconnected to Bulenox on the European server because there was a huge delay on the Chicago server. Let's see what it does. Time to go short? Yeah, might be. It might be a good time to go short. Okay. Nice bearish close here. I mean, with the lower low here, trading on this 1 minute. And we still have the 817 as previous day low, so crazy how the price, how the candles are printing right now. Yeah, I just got the email. Oh, that's nothing extra. At least we know that the no activation fee promo is still on. Still waiting for the short. Not sure I'm ready to go yet. I want to see how these candles are going to close. Okay. Seems like it wants to go down. No. Nothing. I'm gonna wait. Edging higher slowly. I'm telling you that 19,095.25. That is somehow, I don't know, I'm watching that level. That 95.25, I like it. I kind of like it. Okay, now it's turning down again. What's it gonna be? What's it gonna be? taking a short. Only on eval. $46.75 is my TP. Going down. Still holding this short. Kind of like a one-to-one trade. Okay, are we going for it or what? Oh man, it's not doing it. I think since the 6 p.m. reset, so the 6 p.m. daily candle from yesterday, or not, or no. It might be. There might be doing it. Okay, so there might be doing it like Trading View. Sorry, Maverick. Yeah, like 24-hour. So they're watching the market 24 hours back. Like where was price 24 hours before at this moment, and it's like trailing through the throughout the day. So what was the price yesterday? Right now the hour is 10:41 a.m. What was the price yesterday at 10:41 a.m.? Yesterday 10:41 a.m. was up here. So now they're calculating it from 19,600. But that's crazy because then we're going to get the circuit breaker real soon because it's going to push higher. So that, okay, never mind. I don't know. I thought it's from the 6 p.m. I don't know. From yesterday's high maybe? That's an excellent question. That is an excellent question. Be careful though. We are getting closer to that 5%. Did we go lower? I think we did, right? Oh, yeah, TP. I think. Oh, yeah, we hit the TP. Nice. So if that's the thing, like they're trailing it, like they're looking 24 hours back, then we're going to be in trouble because the circuit breaker is going to extend above 5% for sure. Because yesterday after 11, the price was shooting higher. And even if we stay here, we're going to hit the 5% real soon. Look at that. This one might gonna hit the 5% if it goes like this. I'm not sure. Kind of crazy, to be honest. I don't know. Could be bouncing as well on this level. Yeah, it's bouncing higher. It is bouncing higher. Now it will go through maybe. Oh yeah, look at that. It's gonna break through now. I mean down. Yeah, new low. So 4.71% now, and previous day low is the next target at 17. Almost there. There you go. I think it hit that. Okay. 4.76. I think they will close the indices or put them hold on 5%. No, I think they're at 7%, TLA Trader. The prop firms are at 5%. I think the CME is at 7%. Because Top Step said that they are having their own circuit breaker and most of these prop firms 2% lower than the CME. And they were talking about something like 7%. So that's why the prop firms are setting their own circuit breaker at 5%. Obviously, they're doing this so more traders could fill their funded accounts. You know, many traders totally forgot that they are over the 5% because they're holding the trades. And so that's why prop firms are having this 5%. So in that, if the traders go to that 2% level, then obviously it's a good reason to breach their accounts. So it's getting closer, 4.8 now. At least on TradingView. Crude oil is down 7.59. Look at this. This is the weekly. Crude oil is boom. It's just tanking. So yeah, CME is 7%. Prop firms are at 5. I mean, I wouldn't be surprised at all. Okay, 4.84. Yeah, Naomi. We're very close to that 5%, but if we have a bounce here, I think, by the way, I think you can still trade on evals, right? It's only for funded accounts, I think. Almost 4.9 here. Yeah, 4.9. 4.9. It's getting there. You guys don't see it. Oh yeah, you don't see it on my screen. Now you see it here. 4.93. Very close. $4.96. $4.97. $4.99. 5%. We reached the 5% level, everybody. Now, this is a historical thing because, you know, usually you don't really see this kind of thing every day, but hey, obviously it can bounce back. So below this level, don't trade on funded accounts. Any of these prop firms, do not trade funded accounts at this level. Just stop trading. I'm not sure about the evaluation accounts, but at this point, just don't do anything on the fundeds. Down 5%. Personal accounts you can trade until 7%. CME circuit breaker is at 7%. I'm pretty sure. They're over 5% now. So this is a zone where you should not trade at all. By the way, not even a personal account, I think, in my opinion, but I don't know, Maverick. Now I got myself confused as well. Maybe hold on. Let's ask ChatGPT. How about that? I'm gonna paste a picture. For ChatGPT. Why not? You know. All right, here comes the answer. Are triggered based on previous day settlement price. Previous day, that's not true. We didn't drop that much. That's chat GPT is crazy. Settlement price on CME website. That's not true. Daily settlements. Okay, so there's a daily settlement price here. Daily settlement prices reflect the closed. I don't know. Daily settlement time details. Daily settlement time. Commodities, FX, energy, metals, financials, equities, treasuries, energy products. I don't know. I have no freaking idea. No idea. Tom, how are your Tesla shares? Not buying Tesla, that's for sure. Not yet. Ooh, wow. Would you look at Tesla? Oh, they don't give credit for the profits of the day. Oh. No, I'm not in a position. I'm not in a position. $19,758 is the last settlement price. So that's where they calculate it from. Up here. So here at 4. Okay. Okay. All right. So that should be at 4 p.m., right? Somewhere around there. Okay. You're running out of market data. Well, I just got the email from MyFundedFutures. I guess everybody has it. 2% limit rule reminder. Yeah. Okay. No, I didn't breach. No, I didn't. It's I guess they're sending it out to everybody. It's just a basic email. There's no more data on the left. Yeah, I guess. Look at it. I mean, this is the daily. So far, we have a sell side liquidity at 18,569. I'm going to put a line there. 547, actually. Okay, so we can still drop. we can still drop. Have a negative again. That's like Maverick. That is something I have to really dive into because everybody says differently. Petrolina, yeah, I'm kind of waiting to get into long positions, but at this point, I don't even have any interest to continue to trade or do anything on this market because it can just go free fall. But obviously, we have time to. But I don't know. I am your dad, Kurt Down. Man. Yeah, I'm reading Bad Mouse. Yeah, 600 points. What? Micro NQ short before the close yesterday. 600 points live. Oh, wow. Congratulations. Yeah, they keep things complicated, Maverick. Yeah, today would be the good chance to slide in that 90% discount, I guess. I think I think they should be doing it. Maybe Bulenox is going to come out with some cheap sale, hopefully. Oh man. Hold on. Quick phone call. All right, I'm here. The market makers were calling me, actually. They wanted to know what's going on. I asked them that we really want to trade, so we're about to hit market halt. Russell. Russell is down 6.7. I haven't. Where do I have the Russell? Oh, wow. Wow. Here's the Russell. What a drop. I wasn't expecting this, to be honest. I guess nobody did. Okay, we have a spike here. 100 points from the lows. And this was a 40-point spike. Oh, I see. Oh yeah, I was on the phone, Kirk. I'm sorry. On the phone. I'm always on the phone, right? Huh. Going up there again. This was a crazy drop. That's for sure. Okay, pushing back. Pushing back. I don't see any reason to trade this market, to be honest. Oh. What is gold doing? Nothing, right? What is YM doing? Uh-oh, YM is also... I mean, on the 15-minute, there's no gap here. Nothing on the 1 hour. Nothing. Could be something of horror. Oh yeah, that would be interesting to see, TLHer. I'm actually curious how that's gonna go. That's gonna be really interesting to see those numbers. I'm kind of curious to see if the 1 minute is gonna go and try to dump once more. For example, take liquidity somewhere below the 800s. I'm kind of curious to see that. Okay. This looks interesting. Picked up liquidity from this gap, so it could go higher. But if it wants to fail this, then yeah, it's going higher. Well, nothing that I like here. All right, everybody. I think I'm going to call it here. There's nothing I like to trade in this. And there's just no setup. Super dangerous, obviously. I just don't want to be in this trade. Or in this market, sorry. I'm not in a trade, just saying. But yeah, this market is just no. I'm gonna call it here, everybody. I'll be back tomorrow for London for a full day. So London and New York tomorrow. it's going to be interesting to see the NFP numbers coming out, but I just can't trade in this environment. So thanks again. What can I say? God bless you all. And if you would like to support the channel, please don't forget to use my code. It works at most of the prop firms. Thank you so much for supporting. And that's it. God bless you all. See you guys and ladies and gents tomorrow in London and New York. All right. Cheers, everyone.